Torrential slide value equivalent to 205.35 rands a coin. The present cost range: 203.53, 232.38. The earlier day close: 207.89. The change was 2.54, 1.22%. Opposite rate: ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, October 9. Cost 214 rands, high 229, low 199. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 217 rands, high 232, low 202. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 233 rands, high 249, low 217. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, October 12. Cost 237 rands, high 254, low 220. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, October 13. Cost 231 rands, high 247, low 215. In multi-week torrential slide estimate on Monday, October 16. Cost 242 rands, high 259, low 225. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 241 rands, high 258, low 224. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 240 rands, high 257, low 223. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost 253 rands, high. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, October 20. Cost 250 rands, high 268, low 233. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, October 23. Cost 250 rands, high 268, low 233. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 252 rands, high 270, low 234. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, October 26. Cost 252 rands, high 270, low 234. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, October 27. Cost 253 rands, high 271, low 235. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, October 30. Cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost 246 rands, high 263, low 229. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, November 1. Cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost 248 rands, high 265, low 231. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, November 3. Cost 237 rands, high 254, low 220. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, November 7. Cost 236 rands, high 253, low 219. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 222 rands. Excessive cost 222, while low cost 193. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 211. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 207, change for February 6.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for walk 2024. At the outset cost at 207 rands. Excessive cost 207, while low cost 169. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 191. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 182, change for spring 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 182 rands. Excessive cost 182, while low cost 151. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 169. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 162, change for April 11.0%. Torrential slide figure for May 2024. In the first place cost at 162 rands. Exorbitant cost 172, while low cost 150. The found the middle value of cost 161. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 161, change for May 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 161 rands. Exorbitant cost 173, while low cost 151. The found the middle value of cost 162. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 162, change for June 0.6%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2024. To start with cost at 162 rands. Exorbitant cost 162, while low cost 138. The found the middle value of cost 153. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 148, change for July 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at 148 rands. Exorbitant cost 184, while low cost 148. The found the middle value of cost 163. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 172, change for August 16.2%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at 172 rands. Exorbitant cost 187, while low cost 163. The found the middle value of cost 174. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 175, change for September 1.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at 175 rands. Excessive cost 190, while low cost 166. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 177. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 178, change for October 1.7%. Torrential slide figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 178 rands. Excessive cost 216, while low cost 178. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 194. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 202, change for November 13.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 202 rands. Excessive cost 207, while low cost 179. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 195. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 193, change for December 4.5%. Torrential slide figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 193 rands. Excessive cost 210, while low cost 182. The arrived at the midpoint